I just said I carry Baba on Juju Day. Juju Day. Juju Day. Hey,
Soli, 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 solidarity forever.
It was a terrible one.
When my sins take over strength, when my sins take over strength, all oppressors, and go wrong the way. When my sins take over strength, Alota, Victoria, Satan. There was some terrible development. Greatest Nigerian people. Great. We have just observed a new level of unbelievable impunity on behalf of the DSS today. What has happened is that when we arrived here, they prevented a lot of people from entering. When we got up there, they prevented me from entering the country. But they said only the courts and, only the family and the wife can be inside. So while we were waiting outside, word came that there was a disagreement between the legal team as to who should represent him to move the bail application. It's unprecedented in our movement that the disagreement of that level to reach a level where the lawyers had to withdraw appearance, which then gave the DSS the opportunity to take him back into custody. Good news is that the case is adjourned till Monday.
Okay, next week Monday.
This next Monday.
Okay.
The lawyers are working on the inside to file another bail application.
Okay.
And we can't even, I cannot lie to you, I cannot explain what has happened. But those of us who are involved in this have been privately having meetings, and we suspect it's what we think happened.
Exactly.
Yes,
exactly.
so, but we don't want to preempt that until we work in getting justice, getting freedom. What we saw today is that the DSS was aware that there was an opportunity to bungle this case, and they prepared for it. Even if justice had been granted bail today, they were prepared to ensure that the bail conditions are not fulfilled because of their impunity. So, Nigerians, you must be prepared for these people. What they are doing now, gradually, is what we will do in the next 1 year, leading to election, to prevent the rule of law from having any hold in our courtrooms. It's not as if the courts are good already, they are bad.
Very bad.
But it's going to get worse. And you are going to see more of DSS impunity coming in the next year. So let's all be prepared. Please. Because there was no basis. Please, can we focus there? Can we focus there? Yes. There was no basis about what was done today.
So my question is, can we prescribe for justice? That's what I want to know.
Was I not the one who led the invasion of the Ministry of Justice? There's no need to teach us about hitting the street. What we have always told you is that all of us must unite. Let's get the numbers to confront these people. Otherwise, nobody is safe in this country. Are you getting my point? The DSS had no basis coming to court today to come and block the entrance of the court.
Yes.
They had already planned what happened today. But we will investigate who is behind this. Because this was well planned. I have no doubt about it. And the reason why I say it is well planned. If I was inside the court, they couldn't have done what they did today. I wouldn't have allowed the lawyers to do what they did today. But I think they knew that if I was inside that courtroom, they would have prevented what happened. So that's what happened. And I am going to appeal to you. I'm not appealing for count. I'm appealing to you for numbers. Let's bombard this court on Monday with maximum numbers, not just a few people. It is not about justice crack. It's all about about the freedom of everybody in this country to freely participate in the political system. This is no longer a democracy.
Yes.
No. Democracy is dead. Tinubu has come to kill democracy.
Yes.
And they will start picking the leaders of this movement one by one, just so that they can destroy the civil society space. That's what I will tell you for now. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Go on, Masha is gone. Masha is gone. I'm here.
Don't do that. You have to be inside. Give somebody. Don't do that. Don't be waiting for them. The flag boy, the one man. The flag boy, yes, there's one man. The flag boy, yes, there's one man.
Where's my phone?
Yes, please.
Can you be very dark man against me? Very dark man. Very dark man. Go punish your papa. Very dark man. Go punish your papa. Very dark man. It will never be well with you. God will pay you back. All of you. You know what they're talking now. Free justice crack now. Free justice crack now. Free justice crack now. They never free more. Free justice crack now. They never free more. Free justice crack now. 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 You know go better for free justice crack now. 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 Before we die, revolution. Revolution. We have to do something before we go. Revolution. Alota! Victoria! Revolution! Alota! Continua! Victoria! Revolution! Santa, continua, Victoria, Santa. Free justice right now. 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 He's working for a collective of people.
I said this thing from beginning. Very young man will do everything. I keep saying it. He will do everything to frustrate. That guy, see, if I return it, they say, man, leave that guy. If you know you can't handle it, I can go in and talk to your. Where's the chief justice of Is it close to the gate? Okay. But we don't want this to be generated. That's
you may wish to go and see him.
No, I don't want to see him. I don't want a situation where anybody
for me, I see no.
Exactly. But you're already creating.
That is what I'm telling you, James. All these people cannot be inside.
They have to. See, this is a public court.
I understand.
Most of these people have other cases. I have other cases, not even this one.
The judge is not normally happy when
the judge has to be chalked up. The judge must be happy to see the gallery filled up. Yes.
So they are serving the public. They are serving the public. Are you going in or?
Sorry.
So you go and we are waiting for him. Let him go and
Excuse me.
You're also part of
Excuse me.
okay, please.
Do our stuff. Justice scrap. See, shame. All of them come live in our face because of a young man that is helping the army. It's a shame on all of you. Shame. Fool everywhere. Now, I don't know if you do anything. Now, this young boy. Yes, it's a shame. Free justice crack now!
Free justice crack now!